In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find TurboTax file. If you've misplaced your TurboTax return on your computer, don't worry. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to look and how to confirm you've got the right file. Start by launching TurboTax on your computer. If a return opens automatically, glance at the top of the window and note the tax year and the file name that TurboTax displays. That small detail is your compass, because TurboTax saves files with a year-specific extension. Inside TurboTax, open the File menu and choose Open Tax Return. You'll see a list of returns you've opened recently, which is often the quickest way to get back to work. If the one you need appears, select it and you're set. If it's not there, check the default folder where TurboTax commonly stores data on Windows. Open File Explorer and browse to Documents, then TurboTax. Many users save their .tax files here, sometimes inside year-specific subfolders. The file names usually end with a year-coded extension such as Tax 2024, Tax 2023, or Tax 2022, matching the tax year. Still can't find it? Use File Explorer's search box. Search for Tax 2024, Tax 2023, or Tax 2022, or try a wildcard like *.tax20*. Set the search scope to this PC if you're unsure where it might be, and give the search time to complete. It's also worth checking common folders like Downloads and Desktop, especially if you imported or saved the file recently. If TurboTax isn't installed on your computer right now, install it using the link in the description before continuing. Having the program ready ensures you can open and verify any files you locate. Back in TurboTax, another helpful option is File, then Open Recent. This shows a clean list of recently used returns and can jog your memory about the exact file name and location. If you saved a PDF copy for your records, search your computer for PDF and look for file names containing words like Tax Return, Form 1040, or TurboTax. While PDFs aren't editable tax files, they're perfect for confirming the year and taxpayer details and can point you toward the original .tax file. When you think you found the right file, open it and verify the tax year, the taxpayer name, and the return information shown. This quick check helps prevent working in the wrong year by mistake. Once you've located the correct return, note the folder path or move the file into a clearly labeled, easy-to-reach folder for next time. Thanks for watching.